Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the perfect metallic eyeliner for green eyes. Let's get into it. You can use any metallic eyeshadow that you want, but I chose to use the MAC pigment in Heritage Rouge. In the cap, mix a little bit of pigment with a little bit of Fix Plus or water if you don't have a setting spray. And it should create a paste-like consistency. Then I take my small Shiseido Katana Fude brush and I dip into the paste and apply it right over my already existing eyeliner. Most of the time I do choose to put an eyeliner on first before I apply the metallic pigment, and that's just because it gives me a very clear outline to where I want to place the pigment and how it's actually going to look. I think it also brightens the pigment's color as well because it kind of has something to lay on top of. The burgundy shade is just so perfect for green eyes, but really it just complements any eye color so well. I love this color and I hope that you love it too. Enjoy, gorgeous!